Hi friends and welcome to your YouTube channel World Tech Talk. So friends, in this video I will tell you about 5 apps. Using them you can use all your features of your Mi Band efficiently, whether it will be Mi Band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or all upcoming bands of Mi Band series. So friends, watch this video till the end to clarify all your doubts. So friends, before starting this video, I would like to share a very important information with you all, that all the apps about which I am suggesting you in this video, I have made a specific tutorial video of all that apps, and I have also given the link in the description box. You can view that video just clicking the link. So friends, the first app that I would suggest you is the Mi Fit app. So this is the official Mi Fit app that Mi recommends you to download and pair the band with. So friends, as it is the official app, you first have to pair the band with this app. And I will also suggest you that you never use a third party app for your first pairing of the band. So this app also has many features, like as you can see on lock screen: incoming call, event reminders, alarm, app alerts, idle alerts, find band locations, and all the features, all the basic features actually. But if you want to use every feature of your band, you have to watch this video till the end. So as a Mi Band user, many of you have already known this app, so I will not waste your valuable time talking with you about this app. So let's move on to our next app. So the Mi Fit has a very limited watch faces. So each one of us will find a app with unlimited watch faces. So this is the app, Mi Band for watch faces. I have given the link in the description. You can go and download from them. So friends, as you can see, it has unlimited watch faces. You can also store your favorite watch faces in this favorite folder. And it has many categories like New Year, abstractions, animals, animated, anime, automotive, big numbers, brands, child list. So if you want to install any of this, you have to just click on install. So this is the loading procedure. Now it is already installed on your Mi Fit. You have to just open your Mi Fit. Go in the profile section and Mi Smart Band 4, store, manager, and local band displays. So as you can see, and if you will click on cinch watch faces, it will start cinching on your Mi Band. So let's move to our next application. So when you lost your band and you cannot connect your band with the GPS or any Google Maps or any other maps, you will sure have this app. This is the Find Mi Band. I have already made a tutorial video on this band. You can go and check out. The link is in the description. So this app will find your band in 10-meter radius. So this is a very important app and you should see this video, and I have given the link in the description box. So let's move on to our next app. Now if you want to use your Mi Band as a camera shutter, that is also available. This feature is also available in the Mi Band 5 and all the upcoming bands of Mi Band series. So using this app you can take a photo on Mi Band 3 and Mi Band 4. I have already made a tutorial video on this app also, so you can go and check out. The link is in the description. So when you will open this app, these apps work only with the apps free camera, back on camera, night selfie camera, and circle camera. So I would recommend you that you should install this back on camera, because I have tested all the 4 cameras, but the back on cameras has more clarity than any of the camera app. So let's move on to the next app. So friends, do you want to create a shopping list on your Mi Band? So yes, if you will install this application known as Notification Creator, you can surely do that also. So first you have to give the permission of your band for the Mi Fit, that to allow for any other apps notifications, and you have to just click on the title message and notify me, and you will get the notifications of the message on your Mi Band. And if you want more information about that, I have already made a video on this app also, and it is named Shopping List in Mi Band 4. The link is in the description. You can click and go to the link and view that video also. So in the end of this video, I would like to share very important information with you, that this was the part 1 of the series Best Apps for your Mi Band, and I will upload the part 2 as soon as possible. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications and videos. Stay subscribed, stay tuned, stay updated. So friends, you can join us in our next video.